Welcome to this demonstration of ROC eHR-Forms, where we will see how a line manager can request an additional payment for one of his staff, have it approved on a mobile phone by his superior, and have the payment confirmed and processed by an HR or payroll administrator. We begin the demonstration as the requesting manager. We want to select one of our staff to give them a special payment. I can use the Managed Objects utility to see employees, positions, org units and objects that I'm responsible for. On my Employees tab, I select Simon Phoenix. In the current configuration, all the line manager's forms are grouped together, so I'm going to search for a payment form using a text search. Once I've found the form, I click to launch and the form will appear. The content of the form is easily configured or adjusted in your SAP HR backend system. This includes instructions, fields, labels, and the layout of the screen elements. The user fills out the form fields using comment boxes where relevant to provide additional information, but also taking note of fields marked with a red star that are mandatory fields. Once the user has filled out sufficient information in the form, they will be able to successfully check the form contents and send them off for approval. The user can also link electronic attachments to the form which will be sent with it. We've now completed the form and we send it off to the next stage for approval. For any process that has been started, a user is able to consult the process overview to report on the current status and stages of that process. Here we see the process that we've just launched. We can see there is a new item awaiting approval with the manager of the requester. Now we swap to the perspective of the approving manager who will receive the item on his iPhone. The latest item in his forms inbox is the special payment request that is awaiting approval. He clicks the item to launch it. The form is now shown on his phone. He can navigate through the form in exactly the same way that he would on a desktop or tablet device. Some fields, such as his approval comments, are open for entry. In this case, the approver is happy, he enters his comment, and he approves the form. Finally, we swap to the perspective of an HR or payroll administrator. The form has been approved and it now awaits confirmation from an expert. Again, via the inbox, the form can be launched, viewed, and in some cases the data might be changed by the administrator. They can send it back to the author, they can cancel if necessary, or they can send the form on to update the data in the SAP Infotypes and complete the process. To complete the demonstration, let's just see how the HR user can use their process overview to get a full view of the process history. If necessary, they'll be able to drill into any stage and see the form as it looked at that time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this demo of ROC eHR-Forms.